Hey, what's up everyone? If you've been following the EV world, you know 2025 is shaping up to be a massive year for electric cars. Battery tech is better, charging is faster, and there are more styles and price points than ever. So today, I'm breaking down the top electric cars of 2025. These are affordable, stylish, and honestly pretty high performance. Let's get into it. First up, the Tesla Model 3. This car's been a leader for a while, and in 2025, Tesla's just flexing at this point. Depending on the trim, you get anywhere from 283 to 450 horsepower. The range is super impressive, 350 to 400 miles per charge. If you love speed, the performance model does 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds. Supercharger network, still the gold standard, you can hit 80% in about 30 minutes. Plus, you get all the tech goodies, autopilot, full self-driving if you trust it, big touchscreen, over-the-air updates. Tesla's still setting the bar here, fast, efficient, and tech-filled. Now let's talk about the Volkswagen ID.4. If you want something practical but don't want to give up comfort or tech, this compact SUV is worth a look. 201 horsepower, up to 275 miles of range, and a 0 to 60 time of 7.5 seconds. Not a rocket, but definitely quick enough for daily driving. Inside you've got space, quality materials, intuitive infotainment, and it starts around 37 grand.